Here we go. We have a question, search in row wise sorted matrix. So you have given a row wise sorted matrix of size n cross m and an integer x. We need to find whether x is present or not. So we go to this matrix. In this you can see the rows 3, 4, 9 is sorted. This is sorted and this is sorted. But if you iterate in column wise, we go to 3, 2 and 9. So columns are not sorted, only rows are sorted. So we need to find 9. So 9 is there. The answer is true. We go to this matrix. We need to find 56. It is not there. We go to this matrix. We need to find 91. So it is not there. Answer is false. Now let's build the approach. In the yesterday's question, the question was we have row wise and column wise sorted matrix. But in this question, we only got row wise sorted matrix. So let's suppose we need to find 90. So first we got this row. Is the element present in the current row? If the element is greater than or equal to this element and target is less than or equal to this element, yes, the element, the target element can be in this particular row because we got the range 3 to 95. So the target can be present in this row. So we can just simply apply binary search. So using binary search, we can find out the element is not there. Next we go to this row. The range is from 2 to 89. Is the target element between this range? No. So we are sure target is not in this current row. Then we go to our next row. We go to this and this. So is the target element present between this range? Yes, the target element is present in this range. So we will just apply binary search. And after binary search, we got to know that target element is not in this current row. So we need to return false. After finding to each and every row, we got false. So let's suppose we need to find 73. Is 73 there? So first we go to this range 3 to 95. So 73 is between this range. So after binary search, we go to know target is not in this current row. Then we go to this row. Is the target element between this range? Yes. So we will apply binary search. So we go to know target is not there. Then we go to next row. Is the target element between this range? Yes. Then we apply binary search. After applying binary search, we got to know target is present in this row. So we just need to return true. So using this approach, we can just simply solve this question. Now let's build the approach. So first we got n and m. Then we have a loop for rows. If the target element is present in this current row, how do we detect? If it is greater than or equal to first element and less than or equal to the last element. So we will just apply binary search. So I have built a separate function named found. I am passing current row and the array size. So we go to this and it's a simple binary search code using L and R. If it is equal, return true. If the element is greater, so just go on the right hand side, else move on the left hand side. After that, just return false. We have the answer is not there, target is not there. Now let's submit this. Now let's talk about time and space complexity. So we have this code, we have this for loop, it is n, then we have binary search, so it will be n log m. I just told you the optimized approach. The brute force can be to check with each and every element, so it will be n cross m. Using this, we have solved it in n log m, and we have met the expected time and space complexity. We have solved this question. Code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt related to this question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.